Look at that. Ultra glueless and very, very secure, guys. So when I mean hassle-free styling, brush it out for you guys to see how beautiful this hair is. Like, look at that beautiful hair. And you know this is a type of curls that's gonna last because look at the formation of the curls. Now obviously the unit did come pre-styled, guys, but of course I'm gonna add my own little razzle dazzle to it because, like, why not? This unit is definitely giving springtime. Without a doubt, it's giving springtime, guys. Very cute. You guys know that this is kind of like my signature style, and I absolutely love a nice layered cut look. I didn't do too much of this. I'm not a professional when it comes to putting layers in the hair, so I kind of did what I usually do. So hope you guys enjoyed the kind of like mini tutorial. This unit is gorgeous, guys. As you guys can see, I didn't do anything as far as customizing the hairline. Doesn't need baby hairs, guys. It doesn't need it. You don't need it. I feel like this unit actually fits very, very nice. They did go ahead and add that adjustable drawstring in the back. So when I tell y'all that this unit is secure, the unit is secure. It comes with an adjustable hook. It also comes with an adjustable strap, and it also comes with a comb. So when I tell you guys that this unit is stuck on my head, no glue needed, no tape, nada. Like, we're working with 100% glueless unit. Let me just show y'all. Ready? Look at that. Ultra glueless and very, very secure, guys. So when I mean hassle-free styling, all you gotta do is just style the hair by putting a curl in. If you wanna go ahead and straighten this out, go ahead and straighten it out. But for my girls out there that like a little sassiness, like a little volume, because this density is excellent, the length is excellent, I definitely recommend adding a little curl to it to give you like a little pizzazz. I feel like this hairstyle would be perfect for Valentine's Day, which is in a couple days. I think that this would definitely eat up for that occasion. Very sexy and sultry. The color just looks amazing, guys. Again, if you're really a beginner-friendly person when it comes to color, this is definitely the color to jump on because it's kind of like a 30. It's not a 27, and it's not a platinum, so it's just right. And the base color is perfect and it blends so nicely. It's kind of like an ombre / balayage vibe. Obviously, you get the pop of color right here. cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this link down for you guys because I know y'all looking for these glueless units. You guys are trying to look for the best glueless units on the market, and Nadula Hair got you guys. This unit is absolutely stunning, guys. I will leave all the links down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, guys, including a coupon code if you want to save a little bit of money. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, guys, and I will catch you guys in a later one.